don't stress your mind, we coming home.
Now this sign is the most cool back. I have here the numbers. You are going to pick one. How are you feeling today? Ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon? Exciting! Wow, yes, we are all excited for tonight's event. Now, you are going to pick one and directly you answer. Or I will read the question twice. Akong basahon ang pangutana kaduha. Okay? Candidate number 1, this is your question. I will repeat the question twice before you will answer. What would you say that, again, would you say that you are a good role model? Again, would you say that you are a good role model?
Thank you, Mom, for your nice question. Good evening. Yes, I would say that I am a good role model because I myself demonstrate my commitment to be a desired model, and I am willing to invest time and effort to achieve success. My passion to succeed inspires youngsters like me to follow through and reach the goals they set for themselves. In other words, I am someone who always positive, calm, and confident. Thank you.
Wow, what a very nice answer. Thank you, candidate number 1. Dadako naman tayo. Okay. Sa candidate number 2. Kumusta ang feeling natin ngayon, my dear?
It's okay.
Okay. Okay na okay. You are going to pick one. I will read the question twice. Contestant number 2. Ano nga ba ang number dyan? Number. What make you stand out from other contestants? Again, what makes you stand out from the other contestant?
Thank you, Mom, for your very nice question. Growing up, I've always had a strong relationship with my family and friends. Most importantly, to God, who makes all things possible and beautiful in my life. I believe that knowing who you are as a person and having the mentality to look back and give back to those who help you are what set apart from the crowd. In a world full of beautiful ladies, fitting in is difficult enough. But I stand out because I am authentic and uniquely made by God. I stand out because I am beautiful inside and out. I want to remind everyone here tonight to become more confident as we are outstanding masterpieces of our own. And that would be all. Thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Now I will go to candidate number 3. Okay, candidate number 3. Ano ang nararamdaman natin ngayon?
I'm fine.
Okay. We're fine too. You're going to pick one and I will repeat the question twice. Miss Langas. What's the number? Okay, this is your question. Why you should win this pageant? Why you should win? Number 2. Why do you think that you are the best candidate for this title? Why do you think that you are the best candidate for this title?
Good evening, everyone. I believe that I am the best candidate for this title because I am a woman of virtue and confidence a beauty queen should have. I I stand here tonight not just to become a good role model to my fellow youth, but also I believe that nobody will be a beauty with a confidence. A woman with a heart of service and a mind full of aspiration is a living inspiration, and that woman deserves the crown, and I'm proud to say it's me. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Now, dito naman tayo sa candidate number... Kumusta?
I'm fine.
You pick one. What do you like most about yourself? What do you like most about yourself?
Good evening. I like most about myself is the bravery one. I very high sense of self-worth and believe in my capabilities to fight my anxiety. I took time and courage to discover my passion, and that the fact that I pursue it every day. Somebody said they find confidence in me sexy, and I thank you.
That will be all. Thank you, candidate number 4. Miss candidate number 5. You pick one. This is your question, Miss Angeline. Why you should win this pageant? Why you should win this pageant?
Thank you, ma'am, for that very nice question. I should win this pageant because I believe that I can be a role model to the youth, and I deserve it most. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And the last but not the least, candidate number 6. Wala nang natira, ito na. This is your question and I will repeat twice. What makes you different from the other candidates? Again, what makes you different from the other candidates?
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful question. Good evening. Every candidate is unique and should never be afraid to showcase her best or assets. I may not be the tallest candidate, the prettiest face, or the best, or the perfect body, but I am me. I have the abilities that they didn't have, and they have the abilities that I didn't have. And I do believe in the saying goes, we are born to be real, not to be perfect. And most of all, I am confidently beautiful with a heart. Confidence, and they are not just having their voice, but gaya ng sinabi ko, beauty is not on the facial mood, but the true beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. And physical na kaanyuan, hindi sapat na ikaw ay tawaging Diyosa. Pag ang utak, puso at